Hi, welcome to another episode of Here Let Me Explain That For You. In this episode, I will show you how to open your YouTube to show the uploaded videos of the people you are subscribed to. YouTube likes to change the layout to keep up with trends and to accommodate for new advances in web technology. This for the user means learning to navigate the website all over again. The main problem with the change is that people who have channels that upload regularly will not see as many views on their videos, as sub boxes are filled with junk that YouTube thinks you should be watching instead, even if you've already seen it. How I overcome this is to bookmark the subscriptions feed only rather than bookmarking YouTube itself. To do this, go to my subscriptions on the left. This shows all the activity of the people you are subscribed to, showing their likes and comments on other videos. But if you want to see their content only, then click on uploads only. Once here, bookmark this page and save it to your bookmarks bar or wherever you save your bookmarks to. I like to remove the name of the bookmark to keep my bar clean. So if you right click the icon of the bookmark and then go to edit, you can rename or delete the title of the bookmark as you please. Please like and share the video and subscribe. If you are a football fan, then check my other videos out. If you want a tutorial for something else, then please leave a comment down below and we'll consider it. Thank you for watching.